Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Apple Music Wrapped. All right, this is basically Apple Music Replay. What we're going to do to get that is just go ahead over to our home right here at the bottom left, tap on it. Now you should be able to see your replays right here at the very top. If not, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now you're going to want to type in music.apple.com/replay. All right, once that's done, just go ahead and hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now, as you can see here, this is your replay. Just go ahead and tap on jump in. And wait for the website to load. As you can see here, it will require an email. You can sign in if you already have an account, or we'll help you create one. Just go ahead and just sign in right here. All right, as you can see here, it will require a two-factor authentication. Well, let's just go ahead and do that. I'm going to put my authentication code right here, 446813. And I'm going to hit on go. It says here, trust this browser. Just go ahead and do trust. And again, wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, we are now on the replay dashboard. We have here the replay for March 2025, February 2025, and January 2025. As of recording, it is currently March 24. All right, and that's basically how you get Apple Music Wrapped or Apple Music Replay. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.